Hey, this is KBRC13 and
TB.
We got two unboxings for you guys. The first one is my new Boombox. What is it, TB?
Riptunes Boombox.
What does it have in it?
Radio cassette stereo with Bluetooth.
And USB, right?
Yep.
So I'm going to give you the controls, TB, and I'm going to open it. I already opened it. I cleaned it up and stuff. So. So here we go. So here it is. So that was the Boombox right there, and here is the second unboxing. Drum roll, TV. Bam! TB's new Traxxas Stampede 4x4. Right, TB?
Woohoo!
Well, I'll open it. TB will open it, and I will video it now. What does it got in it, TB? What does it say?
I don't know.
Waterproof?
Yes.
In the motor?
Yes. Has a motor.
Has a
I
receiver?
sure hope it has a motor.
Uh-oh, has some tape on it. I ain't got my knife with me. Here we go. Oh, gotta turn it upside down.
Oops, there goes that.
Ooh, look at that thing. Zoom, zoom, zoom. There's parts. Battery charger, which we already have.
That's a weird battery charger.
I think it's for the car. Where's your receiver?
Way down on the other end.
Okay. You want to spin it around? Open it from the other side?
Nope.
Oh, it's right there. There's the receiver. Just throw this crap out of the way. Okay, toss the box.
Whatever.
Let's get to the car. Shut your wheelchair off.
I remember there was supposed to be something.
Gotta pull the pin.
There it is.
There's another one. Okay.
Can't get it.
Ah, got it. Ooh, look at this beast. Ooh, squeeze the tires.
Squeeze, squeeze. Be right back.
through my leg. What? There it is. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of work on the. Rear end. I just got it zip tied right now, but that's her new Stampede. Let's go do some jumps, dear.